Yes, sir.
Oh, so it got disconnected. I don't know why. It's okay. We go once again. Okay. We have done up to 31. 30th అయిపోయింది కదా 31.
Yes,
You heard about 31 meristems. Tissue with highest respiratory activity is supposed to be meristems, which need more energy, therefore high rate of respiration. You see. 32nd, which one of the following is incorrect statement from the mitochondrial electron transport system, ETS, and oxidative phosphorylation? Incorrect statement related to both, we should find out. Okay, now? Option 1, enzyme complex 1 accepts electrons and protons from NADH2 and FADH2. Is it from both, Nana? Able to hear me better? Able to hear me, Nana?
Yes.
Was complex 1 receiving electrons from both NADH and FADH?
no, sir.
It,
Only
no,
NADH.
only from NADH place, H place. So that itself is incorrect. Kada. So second, if you look at passage of protons through the channel is coupled to catalytic site of F1 of ATP production. That is correct. Coupled to means linked to. Third option, cytochrome C is a mobile protein attached to outer surface of inner membrane. Correct. 6 protons pass through F0 from intermembrane space to matrix down the electroproton gradient to produce ATP. Enduk 6 protons nana?
So it should be 2, no?
Sir, as per the textbook, it's 2.
As per textbook, that mistake beta. It should be 3 protons for 1 ATP nana.
Yes, sir, like even if they consider textbook point of view also, it should be 2. 6 is wrong even.
Yeah, fourth also is incorrect. Ippudu answers 1 and 4 aithe ippudu.
Yes, sir.
What is given in the key? First one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
First
sir.
one, non-controversial, but here they have done a mistake. Or otherwise, 6 protons pass through F0 for 1 FADH2 would have been all right. Atlana nivaledu. Intermediate
Yes, sir.
membrane space to the matrix down the electroproton gradient to produce 2 ATPs anna ఇవ్వలేదు. అక్కడ 3 protons అన్న ఇవ్వలేదు. ఎట్లా తీసుకున్నా fourth కూడా incorrect అవుతుంది నాన్న. So it's a misrepresentation అన్న, ambiguous. I think they'll go for add-on for question number 32. Okay. 33, a false statement regarding cytochrome C oxidase complex in ETS in mitochondria. What is cytochrome C oxidase, Nana? What complex is cytochrome C oxidase complex, Nana? Should it be complex 3 or complex 4, beta?
Complex 4.
Yes, very good. So 33 is asking for false statement related to that. Receives electrons directly from ubiquinone. Never. That itself is incorrect. Capable of reducing O2. Yes, it reduces. Extends across the thickness of inner mitochondrial membrane. Yes. It contains iron and copper. You both and the both is okay. So should be first option incorrect or false. Kadanana? Then 34.
Iron and copper both.
Nana?
It is FeS, no, sir, not iron only.
That's where
So
you
even fourth is
I'll tell you. Complex 4 is without any iron sulfur centers.
Yes.
Remember,
yes, sir.
but it has cytochromes which have iron in them. Mineral nutrition chapter gurtundana, iron is component of cytochromes, the so-called electron carriers. All cytochromes essentially have iron in them, Nana. Copper, anyhow, we know. So it was in fact with copper A, copper B, then cytochrome A, cytochrome A3. Kada? Got it better? Got the clarity or not? No? No clarity? Able to hear me better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all cytochromes essentially have iron, Nana. ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుంచుకోండి, iron is part of cytochromes. But iron sulfur centers is concerned. Were there in complex 1, complex 2, complex 3. Totally absent in complex 4 and complex 5. Atla. So it contains iron, it contains copper. Got it now?
Yes.
That's so.
ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఎలక్ట్రాలిసిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది కదా
34th. Which of the following is not a part of Krebs cycle? Okay.
నెగటివ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వాడటం వల్ల
Dehydration
ఏమవుతాయి
was there in
ఇందులో
Krebs
పాజిటివ్
cycle.
యాంటీ
Even
ఇక్కడే ఉంటాయి
hydration
ఇందులో.
also was there. Acetylation was there in Krebs cycle. Oxidative phosphorylation, was it there in Krebs cycle, Nana? No, it was substrate level phosphorylation. Decarboxylations were there in Krebs cycle. So should
యాటిట్యూడ్
be
మార్చేసుకోండి పూర్తి.
answer, not a part of Krebs cycle.
మరి
35th.
ఎందుకు అలా చేస్తుంది వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ బాగా ప్రెజర్ పెట్టేశారు.
The product formed by malic dehydrogenase enzyme
అంటే
is.
అంటే మరి నా క్లాస్
Malic
ఎస్కేప్ అవ్వదు కానీ
dehydrogenase
నాకు ఇంకా
enzyme was converting what, Nana?
పాపం
Malic acid into oxaloacetic acid. So product should be what then? Oxaloacetic acid. That was the last step of TCA cycle.
ఎక్సైజ్ 1 పైన ఎక్సైజ్ 2 కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు చెప్పమాట.
So answer should be 4th. 36th. Identify the incorrect statement. Okay. Typical growth curve in plants is sigmoid. Typical growth curve generally is sigmoid. That's not at all a problem. Growth of pollen tube is measured in terms of length. Yes, that is not at all a problem. Vascular cambium is responsible for primary growth. Was it for primary growth or secondary growth, Nana? Vascular cambium beta, was it for primary or secondary growth, Nana?
Secondary growth.
Yes, so that is incorrect. One single maize root apical meristem can give rise to more than 17,500 new cells per hour. That is as it is correct. So should be third option. 37th, exponential growth in plants can be expressed as nothing but geometric, can be W1 is equal to W0 e to the power RT. Answer 4 undal nanna, manaki ikkada 2 ichchadu kada.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But it's a key mistake, literally. Okay. 37th. 38th, the meristematic phase of growth is characterized by protoplasmic modification, thin and cellulosic primary cell walls. Of course. Abundant protoplasm in the cells, correct? Meristematic cells are cell enlargement. No, cell enlargement is afterwards happening. Protoplasmic modification. Yeah, definitely it will show modification. Thin and cellulosic primary cell walls. Growth is characterized by. Meristematic cells have that, Nana. So should be 2 and 3 ante second option aina ante beta. Possibility is 2 and 3, but why not first one? Protoplasmic modifications. Protoplasm becomes dense in meristematic cells. Cell enlargement, anyhow we delete it.
According to the textbook, they've given that in maturation. Protoplasmic modification.
So we don't take it as part of that. Ante kada nanu? He means that.
Yes.
Protoplasmic content, maturation. Oh yeah, beta. Correct. So region of maturation it is related to, not that of meristematic activity. Correct, Nana. So should be 2 and 3, then it is second option, no problem. 39th, F1 component of ATP synthase is, okay. F1 component of ATP synthase forms the proton channel. No, it was F0 part. Contains the site for AP synthesis. Yes, it is 2. 3 Nana, transport protons from matter. No, not at all. It is located in the outer membrane. Was it in the outer membrane, Nana? So no, it is inner membrane. Should be 2 answer, Nana. 40th. In TCA cycle, oxaloacetic acid accepts acetyl coenzyme A to form citric acid. Kadanana, product of the first reaction, the very first reaction of citric acid cycle is citrate formation, citric acid formation. Oxaloacetic acid accepts acetyl CoA to form. Very good. Direct question it is. There's no problem at all. 41. Arrange the following compounds of TCA cycle in descending order of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms wise antunnana. Descending order, decreasing order. Alpha ketoglutarate is 5. Acetyl coenzyme A is 2. Citric acid is 6. Succinic acid is 4. So topmost is nanipudu citric acid, followed by 5 carbon alpha ketoglutarate acid. So 3, 1, then 4, 2. 3, 1, 4, 2. First option only. 6, 5, 4, 2 carbon atoms in them. 42. Statement 1. The respiratory pathway is an amphibolic pathway. Correct. Statement 2. Respiratory pathway involves both anabolism and catabolism. Yes, that is the reason. The same was asked in another way, no? For us?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's almost like repeat, Nana. Anyhow, both are correct. So both statements are correct in this record. Then 43. Sigmoid curve obtained in,
Geometric.
of course, geometric growth. 44th, kind of growth shown by bacteria. Bacterial emothenana resultant also divide. Go on. So it should be geometric. First option only. Resultant cells also divide because once they are unicellular organisms that way. Little bit concept oriented, Nana, it is. 45th, stages during embryo development shows the growth rate is, during embryo development, Nana, geometric. Kada. Once embryo formed, then it becomes arithmetic. That is confining to plumule and radical part. Should be 2, Nana. 45th. Yeah, 45th 2 but is okay. Got the marks, Nana? Marks list betలేదు కదా, you got marks I think కదా.
Sir, we got them on the website, sir.
Oh, అట్లా వస్తుందా?
They will put the
But
list, I guess, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, sir.
Achha. Okay, but anyhow, don't bother about the marks if low this time. That's why actually they repeated from Krebs cycle onwards, for this test. Though it was covered already, they have again repeated for this test. So you need more perfection. With the passage of time, the more and more you read, it will be easy for you, Nana. Don't become panic, but you need to concentrate more because concept-oriented questions possible on this. Numericals also possible on this. It is not that easy. You should be careful. And IP point of view also, this chapter is important. Respiration chapter is important. Okay. So then we have to continue with growth and development chapter, right? Tata. So, in between growth and development related only, Nana, this in fact you are aware of actually differentiation de-differentiation and redifferentiation. Could you recollect, Nana? In first year, while talking about meristems in anatomy, histology, we talked about this. For example, let us take the flow chart form you better write now. Meristem. Activity in this will give rise to initials or derivatives. Which will gradually lose the power of activity and become a permanent tissue. Now, tell me Nana, what do you call meristems giving rise to a permanent tissue?
Differentiation.
Differentiation. The same permanent tissue, if living, can regain meristematic activity to give rise to secondary meristems. Kadalana? Tell me then, what do you call this as? Permanent tissue becoming a meristem. De-differentiation. This is what you have seen during secondary growth. Pith rays forming interfascicular cambium. Then in the cortex, carp cambium formation. differentiation. Then activity in the secondary meristems will give rise to secondary permanent tissues. Like, what are examples of secondary tissues, Nana?
Secondary xylem.
Xylem. Secondary phloem. Even cork also. Even secondary cortex also. Got it? What do you call this now? Tell me, Nana.
Redifferentiation.
Redifferentiation. Simple. That's it. Development, I think better we discuss tomorrow. We have only up to gibberellin within the phytohormones. Next to development, hormones, phytohormones, in that up to gibberellins. Test is on Sunday, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Weekend test on Sunday. Unit test on
Wednesday.
then cumulative test on, part test on Saturday, na?
Saturday.
So next week on the test claim. Wait, beta, juniors, wait a minute, Nana. Yes, Nana. Tell me, beta.
Nothing. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Done all of you? Okay, Nana. See you tomorrow.